Hello everyone, so if you want to record your screen on iPhone 12 Pro, you are to swipe down from the very top of your screen, from the top right corner. Now on the blank space, hold your finger and press Add a Control. Now let's find screen recording icon, here it is, tap on it. Now tap on the blank space once again and we've got our screen recording added to our control center. Now to record a video, press screen recording and our recording has just started, so go through it, record anything you'd like. Now when you want to stop the recording, at the top left corner you see this red icon, right? So simply tap on it and press stop recording. And basically that's it. You can find your screen recording into your photos, so open up your gallery, in your pin collections, in your videos, you can find your screen recording. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.